Good morning. I will read each topic title, give a three-line summary for that topic, and then read the full detailed content in English exactly as provided. Topic 1. Tech and AI are front and center. Amazon is designing AI chips for its devices. Brookfield targets AI data centers in London. Jeff Bezos' family office funded AI startups. Meta's cloud push excites investors, and OpenAI even floated a proposal for a U.S. government stake, while Google lost a $4.7 billion EU antitrust case. Summary 3 lines. AI is driving activity across chips, data centers, investments, and policy, with major firms and investors repositioning around compute and infrastructure. OpenAI reportedly offered a 5% government stake to share growth returns and ease political pressure, while competitors and regulators are in active talks. Regulatory risk is real. Google lost a large EU antitrust appeal, and firms are balancing compute access with regulatory and safety engagement. Details, summary, core points organized for easy understanding. OpenAI and government stake proposal. Sam Altman reportedly proposed to the White House offering 5% of the company. Based on the most recent private valuation of $852 billion, that is about $42.6 billion. If an IPO values the company at $1 trillion, the stake would be around $50 billion. The aim is to share AI growth returns with the public and to reduce political pressure. Discussions have considered inviting competitors, Anthropic, Google, Meta, etc., to participate in a similar fashion, but nothing is finalized. Conversations about model openness and safety regulation intersect with these proposals, and government industry consultations are ongoing. Amazon hardware and chips. Panos Panay disclosed the company is designing end-to-end silicon for its devices. Amazon has already deployed on-device AI chips, such as the AZ3 family in some products, and is pursuing device chip integration to enable enhanced AI experiences like Alexa Plus. A roadmap for on-the-go portable AI devices was also previewed. Brookfield data centers. Brookfield has expressed intent to secure data center assets in Canary Wharf in London's financial district. The firm views AI infrastructure and associated energy demand as top investment themes and is expanding via large-scale data centers and multinational partnerships, for example, with NVIDIA. Jeff Bezos' family office investing. Bezos Expeditions has concentrated large investments into AI startup mega rounds, including participation in Prometheus's Series B, reported participation in a $12 billion Series B, and investments in multiple AI startups. The family office's activity this year has been notably active. Meta, cloud and compute sales. Reports that Meta is considering selling excess data center capacity and compute to external customers led to a stock spike of roughly 9%. Selling cloud and AI compute could change Meta's profitability profile because such sales generally have lower margins than its advertising business and would require large-scale capex to monetize at scale. Google EU antitrust ruling. The Court of Justice of the European Union rejected Google's appeal and upheld an Android-related antitrust fine at about 4.1 billion euros, reduced from an initial 4.34 billion. Big tech regulatory risk is manifesting. Overall context. Competition in technology and AI is intensifying across infrastructure, chips and data centers, capital, investments, and policy, government stake proposals, and regulation. Companies are pursuing compute resources while simultaneously engaging in regulatory and safety dialogues. Topic 2. Recent headlines center on an economy at a potential inflection point, with U.S. job growth slowing in June, and a closely watched jobs report expected to offer clues about whether the labor market is softening. Summary, 3 lines. U.S. job growth slowed sharply in June, raising debate over whether the labor market has reached a turning point. Key indicators show weak payroll gains, downward revisions to prior months, a modest drop in unemployment,